Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome to another class. Today we are going to be doing our Howdy Kids 3 books, and we are doing Unit 1, Lesson 2. Okay? So I want everybody to please go to page 12 in their Howdy Kids 3 books. Page 12. Okay. So our lesson, the name of our lesson today is to draw a square. Okay, so we are going to be talking about different shapes. Okay, so there are 3 shapes that we're going to talk about today. So let's have a look at the different shapes. Can we please put up the notepad, please? Okay, so we have 3 shapes. One over here is square. Another shape is a circle. And the last one is a triangle. Okay? So I know you guys know I'm very, very bad at drawing. So I'm just going to draw a quick square. I hope that is that good? I think so, right? Alright, next one is a circle. So we have a circle over there. And last one is a triangle. So let's draw a triangle. Alright, as you can see, they're really good, right? Yes. Alright, now I want to ask you, what is it? What kinds of things come in these shapes, okay? And I am thinking about one thing that is in the shape of a square. We all have it, okay? So it's in the shape of a square, and many of us have it at home, and it's only 1, 2, 3 letters. And it starts with a B, okay? It looks like that, in fact. The next one is a circle, and this one is 4 letters. It also starts with a B, and I can play with it. And the last one is triangle, and this is something that you can eat. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters, and it starts with a P. Alright, so first one, B, you can put things inside. So you put things inside. The next one is a B, starts with a B, and you can play with it. And last one, you can eat it. Okay? So if you can think of which words it is I am talking or thinking about, then please try to write them down next to the picture in your book. Okay? So I'm going to give you the answers in. Okay, first one. I said that you can put things inside. It looks like a square. It is a box. Okay, so you need to say box. Alright, square box. Okay, next one is something that I play with. It starts with a B. It has an A and 2 L's. It is a ball. Okay, so a circular ball. Last one is something I can eat, and it looks like a triangle. It is a slice of pizza. Alright. So I know that one's a little difficult because you have to cut the pizza before it is a square. Alright, so if you guys got this right, good job. If you did not write, please write it somewhere in your books. Okay? Let's move on. Alright, let's open our books on page 12 and 13. Can you please put up the book? Alright, so on page 12 and 13, over here we are talking about the shapes. So we can see many shapes over here. Can you tell us what shape is this one? Right? It's a circle. Alright? This over here, 1, 2. This looks like a pizza, so it is a triangle. Okay? And the next one over here, this one looks like a lot of boxes on top of each other. This is a square. Okay, so circle, triangle, and square. So let's just quickly put up the sentences over here, please. Alright, we're going to practice saying these sentences before we look at our vocabulary. So everybody please say, let's read together. Where is my thing? Oh, I found it. Okay. Alright, so I will read first and then you can please read after me. So let's go. Draw 3 green triangles. Alright, can you say that with me? Draw 3 green triangles. So how many do we draw? We need to draw 3 and 3 what? 3 triangles. Okay? And what color is the triangle? It is, well, they are green triangles. So draw 3 green triangles. Alright, the next one at the bottom. Draw a big square. Okay? Can you say it with me? So draw a big square. Alright, so what do we need to do? We need to draw. Draw what? We need to draw a big square. So it is big, okay? And it is a square. So I put it up like that. Alright, so a big square. This one is a small square. So big, small, big, small. Okay? So that's what they need to do and what we need to do in our lesson today. Alright, now we are going to practice saying the vocabulary words. So can we please put up the whiteboard? Okay. The first vocabulary word, everybody, is, I'm going to put them together. So draw. Can you say it? Draw. Alright, the phonics. So draw. Okay. Next one is park. Alright, so park. Alright, so draw a park. Next one is square. Okay, so this is square, and the sound over here is air. Square. Air. Square. Next one is circle. So we say circle. Right? Circle. And let's do the last one, which is a triangle. Okay? So we say triangle. Okay? So let's quickly practice saying them one more time. So please say after me, draw or draw. Can you say it? Draw or draw. Alright, good job. Next one is park. So park, park. Can you say it? Park, park. Good job. Next one, square, square. Square, square. Circle, circle. Okay. Next one is triangle, triangle, triangle. All right. Good job, everybody. Let's quickly try and talk about this. So I can draw a picture. So I draw a picture, but what do I need to draw? I can use a marker. I can also use a pencil. And if I use a pencil to draw, I also need an eraser, right? Alright, so pencil plus eraser when I draw. And if you want, you can also draw with a pen. Okie dokie. Alright, the next one is a park. So if I go to the park, what will I see in the park? So I know the park has green grass. The park also has things to play on or play with. So I can play on the, what is the one that goes down like that? Down. Looks like this. And then here is little Andrew, and Andrew goes there. That is called a slide. Okay? What about the one where you can act like a monkey? You act like a monkey. So that is the monkey bars. Alright? Monkey bars. Or we also say jungle gym. Alright? So you're exercising like you're Tarzan in the jungle. Alright. Can you think of another game that you can play in the park? I'm trying to think of one more. What is the one that goes front and then goes backwards? So forward, backwards, forward, backwards, forward and back. That is called a a swing. Okay, so that's the things that we can do in the park. Of course, we can also eat and play football and draw and do different things in the park. A square. So let's think of things that are squares. Okay, we already said that a box comes in a square. What about the die, right? So dice come in squares. So a box, dice. Can you think of anything else that is in a square? Maybe we also have a square basket. Alright, so when you go on a picnic in the park, you can have a square basket. Okay? Circle. Alright? Something that is in the sky that looks like a circle. It is in the sky. Okay? Those can be two things, in fact. The one is very, very hot. Okay? And it starts with an S. And the other one's also in the sky. but we only see it some nights. So when it's dark, and it comes with the stars. Starts with an M. Okay? And I'll just leave that there, and then I'll give you the answers afterwards. And then triangle, this over here, triangle, you can use, oh well, we have a triangle. I know that a slice of pizza we mentioned earlier comes in a triangle. And also you can make, you have a square over here. Alright, you can turn a square into 2 triangles, and all you need to do is to just draw one line. Alright, so do you think I should draw my line from here, or 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 here? Alright, so I'll tell you that here, wrong. This one, wrong. This one, wrong. And also this one in the middle, wrong. So I can choose any one and go to each side. So I'll go like this. And now I have 1, 2 triangles. Okay? So yeah, that's what we're going to, that's the triangle over here. So let's get back to the circle. The one I was thinking about is very hot, and it is the sun. And the other one starts with an M, and we see it in the evening, in the night. That is the moon. Alright, so sun and moon. Alright, these are the vocabulary words that we need to know. The next part is we are going to listen and practice the chant. Okay, so we're going to sing a little bit. So it's on. Alright, can we please open on page 13 again? Thank you. Alright, so we're going to have a look over here at the chant. Okay, so we have to practice saying these. The first one goes, so you can listen to me. I'm not going to sing because I'm very, very bad at singing, right? So let's listen again. So draw, draw, draw. Draw a triangle. Draw a circle. Draw a big square. Draw, draw, draw. Draw your ruler. Draw your desk. Draw a small chair. Okay? Now I'm going to let you listen to it one more time. We'll listen to it for the first time, and then we are going to practice and see if you can sing it together. So, can we play it, please?
Draw, draw, draw.
Draw, draw.
A triangle. Draw a circle. Draw a big square. Draw, draw, draw. Draw your ruler. Draw your desk. Draw a small chair. Draw, draw, draw. Draw a triangle. Draw a circle. Draw a big square. Draw, draw, draw. Draw your ruler. Draw your desk. Draw a small chair.
Okay, so let's practice it with me quickly, and then we'll listen and see if you can do it again. So let's go. Draw, draw, draw. Draw, draw, draw. Draw a triangle. Draw a triangle. Draw a circle. Draw a circle. Draw a big square. Draw a big square. Alright? Let's try again. Draw, draw, draw. Draw, draw, draw. Draw your ruler. Draw your ruler. Draw your desk. Draw your desk. Draw a small chair. Draw a small chair. Okay? Now, I'm going to let you guys practice this one more time, okay? So, can we just please play again, please?
Draw, draw, draw. Draw a triangle. Draw a circle. Draw a big square. Draw, draw, draw. Draw your ruler. Draw your desk. Draw a small chair. Draw, draw, draw. Draw a triangle. Draw a circle. Draw a big square. Draw, draw, draw. Draw your ruler. Draw your desk. Draw a small chair.
Alright, good job everybody. So now let's move on to page 13 and page 14. Okay, so over here, can you just open that please? Alright, so let's say again, everybody say draw. So draw a circle. Alright, one more time. Draw, draw. Can you say it? Draw, draw. A circle. Circle. Okay, so we need to be able to read that. What else can I draw? So this one I'm going to start with an S. 1, 2, and this one starts with, oh no, I can't do that one, sorry, it's already there. Alright, so draw a circle, draw a square, okay, and draw another shape, triangle. But teacher Jason, so silly, didn't put a space for the E. Okay, so draw a triangle. Alright, guys, so that's what you guys need to do for our lesson. Okay, now the last part that we need to do is to look at the pictures. So can we just take this away please? And then I'm gonna ask you guys to practice and write the sentences in your books. Okay, so make sure you have a pencil, okay, and also eraser, because we are going to draw and write. Alright, the first one, guys, you can see this one is a circle, so you need to write it like that. So it starts with a C. This one is triangle, starts with a T. This one is the square, so it starts with a S. And I also want to show you guys your Q again. Okay, so remember the Q goes down. Then we have the park, so it starts with a P. Remember your P goes down. And over here is, what is he doing? He draws something, so he can draw. So please remember how to write each of the words. Look in your books, okay? So when you guys finish this, good job, okay? I'm going to help you to write it in 5 seconds. So before you continue, before I give you the answers, please write it, pause the video, ask mom or dad to help you to pause, and then we're gonna write it, and then I'll give you the answers, okay? So let me go. So this one is circle, so we're gonna write circle, and triangle, and square. Alright, this one is the place to play in the park. Remember, your K goes up, and what does he do? He draws. Okay, I hope your answers are correct. Okay, good job everyone. And now we are going to do our reading books. Okay, time for us to practice our reading books. So let me just get my book.